This is a real nice and shiny 4.3 Mercruiser. Works on most of your 1990s and early 2000s Mercruiser Alpha 1s. This is a 4-barrel model, gives it over 200 horsepower. She's Vortec. This engine runs perfect. Every cylinder is at 185 pounds of compression. Guaranteed. Sure is a smooth runner. Can't even hear no ticks or no vibrations. You can't hear any rattles in this thing. Shut her down for a sec here. Boy, this thing's got to have low hours. Just purrs. You just touch that starter and she wants to go. Look at that. Ready to go. Drop it in and go. Does not come with the Y pipe. This is for our test running, but everything else you're going to get. Plugs right in. There's your plug. If you got any questions, you just email sales@greenbayprop.com. Thanks for watching.